Most people don't know very much about Herbert Hoover and Lou Henry Hoover.
What a life. What a story.
Fortitude, enterprise, courage, and compassion. All of those values are part of the Herbert Hoover story.
Lou Henry Hoover is actually one of the most extraordinary women. She was an author. She was an artist. She was an architectural designer. She believed that women and girls should move into spheres that they had not traditionally been in.
The Hoovers led exceptional lives with many accomplishments that bettered the lives of tens of millions of people around the world.
It's the highest ideals of the American character, and it all comes out of Iowa. Rising from rags to riches, he was an orphan, educated himself, built himself up, made an absolute fortune in the mining business out of talent and hard work, and then suddenly turns his life to public service, feeding millions of people in World War I, and then once again after World War II.
Herbert Hoover was really a humanitarian. He always answered the call of service to humanity.
The highs, the lows, it's inspiring. No wonder the guy was elected president.
Hoover rallied the smartest minds in the country around trying to solve the problem of the Great Depression, what he called the War on 1,000 Fronts. There's a way to bring that story to life so that people understand it, not just intellectually, but really emotionally.
At that time, Europe was full of refugees. Guess what? Europe's full of refugees again. There is one touch point after another in the Herbert Hoover story that will resonate with people of today.
Right now is the perfect time to reinvent the Herbert Hoover Presidential Library Museum. We've had an entire technological revolution, an information revolution.
You've got an opportunity here to create a museum that is vital, that is immersive, that is emotional, that brings all kinds of theatrical storytelling and wizardry, and that tells a classic American story.
When you want to build a world-class presidential library museum, tell a story in a new way and in a creative way that will resonate with a new generation and a new audience of people.
Education is less like filling a bucket and more like lighting a fire. We're going to tell that story in a way that captures the imagination, inspires people, and leaves them hungry for more.
We want to activate their sense of civic partnership, their civic responsibility to be a part of making the world a better place.
That way, he becomes more relevant today than he has been at any time in the last 50 years.
I really believe that a museum like this can help call all of us to service to others and inspire us to see what we can do in our own lives.
It's an opportunity for all of us to contribute and show our pride in having this presidential library in our state.
We need your support to bring that story to life today for a contemporary audience using 21st century scholarship and 21st century showmanship.
Come join our vision to share an Iowa treasure with the world and to empower others to lead an uncommon life.